Volv is speeding diagnosis for patients with difficult-to-diagnose diseases. Hello, I'm Christopher Rudolph. I'm the CEO at Volv Global. The mission of Volv is to apply advanced data science techniques to help patients achieve better outcomes. And what we're doing is we're building these models. And in general, we give these models to the clinical systems for free, to healthcare systems for free. We work with people who actually have electronic health record systems that doctors use. What we do is we work with those people who've already got some infrastructure in place, and we say, well, how can we actually work with you to create an integrated solution that will create an alert for a clinician? We're only really finding patients with diseases where people have products in market, but now we're reaching much earlier in the development pipeline to actually understand the disease better and then be able to design better drug selection for that, and then actually also design the clinical trials with better endpoints. So specifically for clinical trials, we would be involved earlier in this in the life cycle in order to understand the disease and the disease setting. So what we find is we find the patients who have disease, but we also find the patients who are undiagnosed. I mean, that's the really big value proposition. I always say we don't change any kind of approaches or business models or anything else. We change the market model. So we increase the size of the population. But the biopol itself, for what it was set up for, and the interactions you get, the different conversations you have with different people who are setting up completely different businesses, is really interesting. It's really interesting to have that vibrant community, to have those interactions, to find out what's going on. There's lots of people at the cutting edge of things here. When you look at it, we often find we are actually pioneering, and so it's nice to speak to other people who are doing that as well. You don't feel out there on your own.